Welcome to .NET Programming for Beginners. I'm Hepzibah, contract lecturer in a government polytechnic college method. In this video, we will learn to connect to database and do different manipulations like insert, delete, update and display. Take a look at the program. Welcome to Visual Studio Programming. In today's program, we will learn how to insert, delete, update and display the information in a grid view. Let's have all these tools on our Windows page. That's why we are going to start page, open a new window page and include all these controls into your web page. Okay, after including all the things into your web page, let's make a connection to the database. Go to Server Explorer. Okay, as you have in Server Explorer here, or else you can go to View and click on it and click on Server Explorer. See here in View we have Server Explorer. Go to View tab or select Server Explorer. Okay, I already have Server Explorer. On Server Explorer, click on Database Connections. Okay, click on Database Connections. Connect to database. Here you'll see a window. Okay, give your server name. As here my server name is Hepzibah slash sorry, excuse me, slash SQL Express, and you can give after that give a proper database name. Presently I'm giving student. Okay, student as the name. I don't have any database. I don't want to use all the previous databases. I already have many databases. I don't want to use them. I'm creating a new database. Okay, see here, go to connections, new database, and then click OK. Okay, here you can see it has been added in my Server Explorer. You can see that student DBO is been created. Okay, so now go to this, click here, go to tables. Student info is there. We don't have any column names and data in it. So right click on it, go to add new table. Okay, there it will ask the column name. Let's give pin number. Let's give pin number as one column name and database as I'm selecting integer. We have many different databases here. Okay, I'm just selecting integer. See here we have in instance we can select any of the databases. I'm selecting int. Okay, integer. Okay, it is of integer type. Now let's go to name. I'm selecting not nchar, varchar. Okay, here I've selected varchar. We can change the name if possible. Okay. Okay, this is my table. Okay, now save it. Control S. Okay, give a name to your database table. I'm giving student info. I have given already. It is there. Table 2. Student underscore info. Okay, it's already there. Sorry. Without underscore, I'm giving. Sorry. Stud underscore info. Stud info. Okay. Okay. Stud info is the name. Okay. In this stud info, we don't have any data in it. Okay. Let's insert one information, pin number 1, and let's give some name, Vani. Okay, this has been inserted. Okay, let's go back to our program. This is my design. This is the design of the program, and when I click on display, the information which we entered must get displayed into the grid. Okay, and if I am clicking insert, the information which I am entering in this pin number and text boxes must get copied into the grid and also onto the database. Okay, let's check out. Click on display. For the convenience so that I don't get delay, I have already copied the information in a pad, in a notepad. Okay. First thing is we need to make connection. We have to create a connection string, and then connection string is followed by a command. We have to give command, and then I'm using data adapter. Data adapter make uses of data set. Since I'm using only one table, I'm using data table. We can also use data table instead of data set. And since we are using data set, it must get populated. The adapter, the object of data adapter must get populated. So to populate and open and close the connections, fill method is used, and fill method makes use of data set object. So with that, we will bind the information to a grid. Okay. So now let's make sure whether the connection which I have given is correct or not. No, this is not the connection. Let's go to the table. Let's go to Server Explorer again. Okay. Click on Server Explorer. Click on our database. Okay. Our database we have selected is student DBO. On student DBO, right click, go to the properties of student DBO. Click on the properties. Okay. Here, going to the properties, we can see connection string. Okay. Connection string. This is the connection string. Copy, Control C, copy the information. Copy the string and paste it. Control V. Double quote is missing. See, student. It has copied the student. We have selected student, and the table what we are using is not staff details. The table what I am using is stud info. STUD underscore info. Okay, this is the table. Let's take a look whether it will work or not. Display. Yes, pin number 1, Vani. Our data grid is been populated. Let's stop debugging. Yes, the debugging has been stopped. Now what I'll do is, since I'm trying to insert the information, insert, delete and update, and every time whatever I do, I need to get the display. So let's put the display information in a function. Sorry, in a method. Let's put a method here. Create a method called display. Void display with an open and close. Copy the data. Okay. Now in this button, let's call the method, display method. Let's call the display method, that's enough. Okay. Now let's try it again. Yes. Okay. It's working. Now let's stop debugging and try to insert button 1. Okay, here. Click on button 1 and try to copy the information. The same thing, the display function itself, I'm copying and pasting it here. Okay, but the command, but the SQL query is not select. So insert into stud underscore, sorry, underscore info values. We have to insert some values into this. So what values we have to insert? We have to insert the values of these two text boxes. The data what we are entering into these text boxes must get inserted. So to insert the values will include the single quotes, right? So since we are inserting text boxes, say text box dot text. Okay, let's take a look here. Like this, we should include. Okay, within single quotes and then double quotes with concatenation symbol. Then second text box include second text box also. Okay, I'm including second text box 2 dot text. Yes, text box 2 dot text is been inserted. Okay, text box 2 dot text is been inserted. Okay, now two text boxes. First text box information and second text box information will must get inserted. Okay, let's check out this. And after getting inserted, we must get the display. Okay, we need to get the display of this. So let's put display function, display method here, and after that we also want to have the information that one record is being inserted. So let's put message box. Okay, let's insert a message box, one row inserted. Sorry. One row inserted. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, here I'm displaying the information. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Number 2 and some name Anjali. Okay, and here insert. Yes, the information is being inserted. Okay, and also it is showing us the data that one row is being inserted. Since we have included the method after getting insertion, after working with the command SQL query, we have included the display method here. Okay, so it is getting displayed in the grid itself, and also it is showing message. Okay, and also it is showing message. Let's stop. I think okay, I'm just adjusting this form a bit. Now let's try to delete the information. So right click on it, and the same thing, copy and paste in delete button. Okay, now the query must be changed to delete query. Okay, query must be changed, delete from okay, delete from underscore info. Student info, delete from student info. I'm giving condition here where pin number, sorry, the pin number is equal to whatever is the pin number from the text box. I'm trying to give from, I'll be giving from text box, whatever the text box value is been taken. Okay, that must get deleted up. Text box, let's give text box 1 dot text. Okay, so here is the code. So just delete from student info where pin equal to text box 1 dot text. This means that the information which is been given in the text box 1, that row, only that row will get deleted. Okay, let's execute the program and check. Go to debug, display. Yes, the information has been displayed. Let's try inserting one more data, saying some Suma. Okay, pin number 3, insert. Then later I realized, okay, one row inserted. Okay, insert is functioning. Okay, later I realized that pin number 3 is not Suma, so I want to delete this pin number. So I'll just give the pin number 3 because in uh, condition I've given pin number. Okay, so pin number 3, just check this. Okay, pin number 3, delete. Okay, one row deleted. You can observe that it is showing us one row deleted. Okay, so it's functioning. Insert is working, delete is working, and also display is working. Let's go to the final thing, that is nothing but update. Let's update the information also. For update also, just copy and paste the same data here. Copy and paste the information and write the query for update. Okay, update student info where set name equal to text box 2. I'll give text box 2 dot text. Okay, where pin number is this. Okay, now let's take a look at this code what I have given. Okay, update student info. Okay, set name equal to text box dot text, set name where pin number is. Okay, text box 1, and it will connect. Okay, name, I think it is capital N. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's display the information and insert again. Okay, 3 as Suma. Okay, insert. Then later I realized I need to update it as okay, Madhuri, okay, update. Okay, sorry, see, here it is showing one row deleted. Okay, it has been updated. Actually, we didn't change it here in the program that it must be update. One row updated. Okay, let's check all the operations once again. Okay, display, three rows it is displaying, and I'm trying to insert one more tab Sunita. Okay, then click insert, one row is inserted. Okay, then I want to give capital letter, so I don't want this. One row 4, pin number 4 deleting. Yes, pin number 4 is been deleted, one row deleted. I'm updating pin, updating. Okay, I'll insert once again. Sunita, wait, Sunil. Okay, insert. Okay, my college is girls' college, so where has boy's name inserted? So let's update this name to Sushmita. Okay, Sunita, update. Okay, number 4 is been updated. Okay, update. Let's take a look at this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is the information what we have got. Let's take a look in the program. Sorry, in the server. Okay, show table data. Uh, Refresh. Okay, show table data. Okay, see, all the 4 details are been updated. Okay, this is our output. All the 4 information what we have tried to insert through these controls is been inserted into the database. Here it works insert, delete and update and display manipulation using data adapter. Here we end our program. Let's stop debugging. Thank you for watching this video.